Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, I'm going to help you with problems 21 through 24 on our ratios and proportions study guide of VL-728. For these particular ones, I'm going to help you solving them by tape diagrams. If you like solving them by the proportion method, then please watch the other video. As always, you can speed up, slow down, fast forward, rewind to the specific problem that you need help with. I always suggest that you try it yourself first and then come back and check it with us. So like hit pause, try it, and then come back and check to see how you did. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. For this first problem, 21, it says there are 24 boys in Mr. Howard's class. If the ratio of boys to girls is 6 to 7, how many girls are in his band? Okay, so the two things we're talking about are boys and girls. How many boxes should I draw to represent the number of boys? Yeah, you should have drawn 6 boxes because it's boys to girls. So the first number is talking about the number of boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes for boys. And then 7 is talking about the number of girls. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes to represent the number of girls. Imagine those are perfect boxes. Okay, now that you have that, look at that other number, 24. What is 24 talking about? Well, 24 is talking about the number of boys, right? So which boxes are talking about the number of boys? These boxes right here. So those boxes represent a value of 24. So then what does each box have to be worth in order to have these total 24? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. So 6 times what is going to give me 24? 4. So that means each box has a value of 4, which means all of these have a value of 4 as well, right? Because you could count, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, or I don't like counting by fours. I would have just done their 6 boxes. So 6 times what is 24? 4. Okay. Now that I have how much each one's worth, I can use that to answer whatever question they want. They're asking how many are girls. So I'm going to look at the boxes that represent the number of girls, which is right here. How many boxes are girls? Yeah, 7 boxes. And how much is each box worth? Well, there's 4 inside of each box, so then that's a total value of 28. So there's 28 girls if there's 24 boys because they're in a 6 to 7 ratio. All right, let's look at the next problem. Okay, don't forget, try it yourself and then pause it and then come back and see how you did. Okay, now that you're back with us, it said the ratio of girls to boys is 5 to 3. So to represent girls, I'm going to do how many boxes? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And to represent boys, how many boxes would you do? 1, 2, 3 boxes. If there are 15 boys in the choir, then how many girls are there? Well, 15 is talking about what? Yeah, the number of boys. Okay, so these total boxes have a value of 15. If they have a value of 15, then how much is each one worth? Okay, well, there's 3 boxes, and so in order to total 15, that means each one had to be worth 5, right? 5, 10, 15. And so then that means all the boxes are worth a value of 5. Now I can use that to answer the question. It says, all right, well then how many are girls? Okay, well there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes that are each worth a value of 5 or 5 inside. And so that means there are 25 girls. If you like the proportion way for these, great, solve the proportion way. Tape diagram's helpful, but for 23 and 24, I really think that the tape diagram is helpful for these types of problems. Okay, let me show you. It says the ratio of red cards to black cards is 3 to 4. Okay, so the 3 is the first number, so that's talking about the number of red cards, and 4 is the second number, so that's talking about the number of black cards. So if I were to draw my tape diagram, how many boxes for red would you do? 1, 2, 3 boxes. And for black cards, how many would you do? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's saying there's a total of 42 cards. So what is 42 talking about, the red or the black? Neither. It's not just the red or the black. It's actually all the boxes. It's both of them, right? So all of those boxes equal a value of 42. Well, how many total boxes are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because 3 plus 4 is 7, right? So how much is each one worth then to get a total value of 42 in those? Well, 7 times what is 42? 6. So that means each of these boxes is worth 6. Okay. Now I can use that to answer any question they want. They said, how many of them are red? So look at just the red boxes. Well, there's 3 boxes that are each worth 6. So there's a total of 18 red cards. Done. Okay, really try this last one on your own. And now that you're back with us, let's see how you did. It said the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 5. So to represent boys, you should have drawn, that's right, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And to represent girls, how many did you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now what's that 54 talking about? The total number of students. So which boxes? Do I circle the boy boxes or the girl boxes? All the boxes, because it's the total number of students. Well, 54 is the total value, and how many boxes equal that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. Because 4 plus 5, like 4 of these and 5 of these, a total of 9, right? Okay, so then 9 times what gives me that 54? Yeah, 6. So that means each box has a value of 6. Then I can answer the question. It says, how many girls are on the team? So let's look at the girls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes representing girls, and each box is worth 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. So there's 30 girls on the team when there's 54 students overall, because they're in a 4 to 5 ratio. All right, my little mathematicians, you got this. And those problems were hard. Pat yourselves on the back. Good job.